to those in the community. Tori Bean.
And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
All right, we're checking in now with meteorologist Carson Vickroy for a look at the forecast. Hey, Carson.
Corinne.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
What's up?
Just doing the news.
Yeah?
Waiting to hear about some weather.
Yeah, you want to be outside, right? Because it's beautiful out there.
It is. Look how beautiful that blue sky is in Longview. Oh, my goodness. I would rather be outside than in here.
Yeah, you know, and it's absolutely gorgeous outside. We've got ourselves a bluebird day. There's one catch, though. Winds are pretty strong out of the south, so we'll continue to monitor that. Look at that. The flag there in the background is whipping in the wind, and we're seeing sustained winds anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. I'm not going to show you a map because it's very hard to pinpoint where exactly those stronger winds are occurring because they vary from location to location. Starting to see some traffic on the loop. I think everybody wants to go to lunch today. That's why we're seeing so much traffic out there right now. So we will continue to see that trend here for a while. Of course, we are in the 40s and 50s. It is 51 in Sulphur Springs. We are at 49 in Emory. And of course, that is the county seat of Rains County. Mineola is at 50 degrees there in Wood County. 48 at UT Tyler, 49 at the airport, 49 in Noonday. It's 51 in Jacksonville, 51 in Henderson, 50 in Mount Enterprise. And we're in the 40s and 50s right now across deep East Texas. 50s and 60s, those are your high temperatures today. Warmer for locations to the south of I-20, slightly cooler for locations to the north of the interstate there. Lows tonight, I do expect 30s for most of our northern counties and 40s for areas along into the south of I-20. So all in all, it's not going to be as cool as what we saw this morning, but it will still be relatively cool. So you do need to be prepared. Make sure you have that jacket with you. Obviously, it's going to be a quiet day. However, there are changes on the way. Let me go ahead and zoom out. This is one of the cold fronts we are tracking. One of these fronts, it's going to be very weak. We're going to start to see it form across parts of New Mexico, and it will move across the southern U.S., bringing the potential at a little bit of snow to places like Arkansas and Tennessee. Let's go ahead and chat about that real quick. We are in the 40s and 50s to start out. This is 5 o'clock this evening, so it's going to be cool. Maybe you're holding off until after work to maybe go walk the dog, walk with your spouse, significant other, whatever you're doing. You can do it outside. Just make sure you have a jacket because it still will be pretty chilly by then. As we roll into your Wednesday, that is when we do start to see this cold front move in from the northwest. This is cold front number 1. This is not really going to pack a punch, but it will deliver some clouds to the area because there's going to be just enough Gulf moisture from these southerly winds to provide us with the clouds. So expect a few clouds if you live along into the south of I-20 early tomorrow morning. For your Wednesday afternoon, we're still dealing with the clouds, but notice not a big difference in the temperatures there. Now, as we go into your Wednesday night and early Thursday morning, that's our next cold front. It's going to begin to arrive. It clears most of our northern areas by 3 o'clock. The front moves through, and there's your mixed precipitation well off to our north and to our east. We'll see temperatures in the 30s and 40s by 7 o'clock in the morning Thursday, and we're staying in the 40s for most of your Thursday. Let's go ahead and chat about the next 7 days. We are talking about temperatures again, 60s over the next 2 days. We're in the 40s and 50s for your Thursday and Friday. Showers possible Saturday into Sunday, and didn't show Futurecast for this upcoming weekend because there's still a lot of variability in the models. Very hard to pinpoint on exactly what's going to happen and who will see the rain, but be prepared for rain this upcoming weekend. Deep East Texas, same trend. We are in the 60s today and tomorrow, 50s Thursday and Friday. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KET.